All right, guys. I hope we're all doing well. Um, right now we're just gonna introduce what our new assignment is. Number 4. So again, you guys are all pretty familiar with what the process going on here is. Um, for assignment 4, we're gonna introduce loops. It's basically gonna be a new skill that we're going to learn over these next couple days. So what I'm gonna do is basically introduce while loops right now. Basically, what a while loop does, it says that we need to do something with an interval or basically create something that happens over a period of time. So the word loop refers to like a piece of code that will execute over and over and over again until we break it or something else happens. So in the coding language, basically this means that we need to again run something over and over and over again, given that a condition still holds true. Okay? So this might be a lot for you guys right now, but it'll make more sense now once I actually start. Look at me typing in the wrong window. Start giving you guys something. So guys, I just like to do this to keep myself organized. So again, 3 components that we're going to go through here to basically construct the while loop in Python is basically the keyword being while, a condition that translates to either being true or false, and a block of code that we want to keep continuously repeating to execute the task. So for this assignment now, I'm just going to just going to use print. I'm going to go with, let's think of something here. So I'm going to create like a number guess game. So basically what's going to happen is that the user is going to be prompted to guess a number, and until they guess the right number, the loop is just going to keep on going. So again, here I'm just using the print function, similar to what you guys have all done. So let's go with number equals. So the number that I want the user is going to be is, let's go with 7. So while true. This is the new thing that you guys are getting introduced with now. So, I don't know, guess. Again, you guys are all probably pretty familiar with what's actually going on here. So, because I'm using whole numbers, I don't need to use the float function. I can use integer, as you see in green there. So, if guess number, look, I don't have my underscore in, there we go. If guess number, and I gotta use a colon here. And again, guys, like you can see that like the if statement, we obviously have to tab over, similar to we did in the last assignment. We're doing the exact same thing here with the while true, because we want everything to fall underneath, and basically that's how we create the loop. So right now I'm saying if the guess number is picked being number, which I assign the variable above number 7, then I'm going to say print well done. And then below this here, because this right now is going to give us the right answer, I want the loop to break. Okay, so that's going to be a key function you guys will have to use for this assignment. If something happens or you want something to end, you're going to have to use the break function. And really, that's pretty simple. You just type break. But what happens if the person doesn't guess number 7 on the first try? So this is where we need to go back to the stuff we previously learned. And use the elif function. So I'm going to say print too high, guess again. Okay, so basically this function here is saying that the number that was picked was too high, so then it's going to tell the user to pick again. So because we're stuck inside this loop above. From here, we're going to use else. After I do this again, because let me think now. This should work. Let's try. Else. Alright guys, so it looks like now I'm going to get an error message when I run this. So let's just see what happens. Okay, so we have on line 10. Okay, so it looks like I have one too many equal signs there. So clearly we all make mistakes. Run, let's see if this works now. Okay, so it's going to tell me to guess a number between 1 and 15. So I'm going to punch in 3. Okay, so it tells me too low, guess again. Let's go 9. Too high, guess again, 7. Correct number, well done. And that ends the loop because I guessed the right number. As you guys can see what was built inside here, and then I created a break statement. So by putting in break, it ended the loop and completed my code. Alright guys, good luck with assignment 4, and we will be around to help you out.